Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about how to work with tabs in Titan Web. So tabs are found under containers and tabs. There are two different ways you can use tabs and I'm going to show you both of them. So what I'll do is I'll add an extra strip over here. So first thing first, these are my tabs and let me show you some ways you can bring them back. You can set them up in a static way, so you can say, hey, this one is my accounts, this one is my contacts, and this one is my case, something like that, okay? The other ways you can do it is you can do it dynamic. And just like that, from any object, let's say account type, let me click save and show you this. We can now render them dynamically, like that. Beautiful, right? That's another way of doing it. So this is like the difference between static and dynamic values. Let's talk about interactivity. First thing first, you can either make them horizontally or you can make them vertically. So like this, let me click save and let me show you. So in the previous one we saw them all go horizontally like that. In this example, we will see them go vertically like that. Pretty cool, right? Next up, you can wrap the labels. So let me save and show you this. Now the labels are wrapped, they're not stretching out, they look really nice, and that's the wrapped functionality. Next up is you can make them full width. So if you unwrap them or don't make them vertical, you can have them full width like that. So let me show you this. And now you can see they are full width. And also you can make them centered if you want. So let's say uncheck centered, and now they're centered. And what that means is, if I preview, all my tabs are now centralized like that. One of the things to be mindful of, that when you have tons of data like this, sometimes, client can get confused. They're like, okay, I see something there, but should I be going that way? To make that a bit more clearer, you may want to add forced scroll buttons. What that does is this. So right now, I kind of know there's something there, but I still need to, go across. With the buttons, there's always an indication that, hey, there's more options available if I go left or right. All right. So that's in itself is what the entire functionality is, and the main difference between vertical and horizontal tabs is literally just that. They're vertical and horizontal. And then but you can use them both like this. You can have them available vertically or horizontally. It's just up to you. But from there on, everything else is the same. There is no difference. So that's the tabs functionality for you, and I hope you make good use of it.